Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in 2025. And this is an updated version. I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do this year to get your LLC filed. I'm also going to show you how to file your EIN number, which is really important to have if you're already doing your LLC and you're getting your business started. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy. So click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻 website, and I'm going to show you exactly what to click for every single question. You can follow along on your screen at the same time and just click everything and go along with me. I'm going to make this really easy for you guys. There's going to be no guesswork, nothing like that. So we're just going to bust right through it and get this all done. So again, click that link below and let's get into it. All right, so this is the 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻 website. 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻 is like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So that's why I like getting my LLC through 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻, and they always keep everything super updated and you have everything that you need here in regards to your business. So start by clicking the state that you live in. And you guys, I'm gonna be doing this for all states. So no matter what state you live in, you can do this here. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. I'm going to type in my business name. Okay. And you can just click what applies for you right now. And then what industry do you fall into? So you're going to type in a category, and like as you see here, there's so many options. You can type in any letter and a bunch of stuff comes up. So for me, I'm typing eyelash extensions and there we go. And then are you selling a good, a service, or both? And you can just click whatever applies currently for you. If you change your mind about employees later on, that's totally fine. It won't affect your filing. And if you have a goal in mind, you can click it. If you really don't have a goal yet, you can just leave it as you don't know. Now you're going to type in your zip code of your business, and if you happen to be mobile like I am, you can use your home zip code. So if you don't have a storefront, just use the zip code of where you're going to receive your mail or where you yourself personally are located. And again, click here if you're selling online, at a shop or store, or on the go. Okay, and today we're going to click our LLC, and then I also want you to click EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So super important to have. And if you're just starting your business now, you'll more than likely need it within this year before you file your taxes. So I like to just get it done with right here, do all of it in one. And you can see that they also offer a ton of other stuff. So let's say you need a logo created, or you need help with accounting. All of those options are here. So click whatever else you need. But today we're just clicking LLC and EIN. All right, this is a survey we can skip. And you found 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻𝗻 through YouTube. All right, and I just want you guys to see up here at the very top, I don't know if you can see my arrow, but where this blue bar is, we're about a third of the way through. And I feel like this has only been like 1 minute on here. So just stick with me in this process. We're going to be done in super fast, like 5 minutes. All right, so this is a free business coaching program. It's a 12-week program. It's completely free if you want to take it. And now you're just going to add your personal information. All right, and again, they're asking, do you want 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻𝗻 to help you get your EIN number? Now, if you choose to do it on your own, you can. You would just go through their IRS website. Keep in mind, though, that you cannot file on the weekend. So, for example, I'm filming this video on a Saturday. If I wanted to file my LLC through the IRS website, I'd have to wait till Monday. The cool thing with 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻𝗻 is we can just click this button right here, help me get my EIN number. It's $99. And pretty much that's all that they need from you to do it. So I like to just do it on 𝗤𝘪𝙀𝗻𝗻𝗻. And as far as being a registered agent, It's essentially a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in the state that you're filing your LLC in, you will be your own registered agent. This does not apply if you're filing taxes and you're creating an LLC in another state for tax benefits. You would then need to appoint someone that lives in the state. But for most of you guys watching this, you will be your own registered agent, and there's no extra cost for that. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you must renew your LLC. So if you think that you're going to be really busy and you might forget about it, it's something to consider to have Taylor Brands do it for you. It's $199 a year that automatically renews, and you don't have to have that extra stress. Now, if you want to save a little bit of money, you can handle the compliance on your own and you renew it every single year. And that's no matter what state you live in. But keep in mind, if you forget to renew it, you'll get hit with a bunch of late fees and fines. So just make a note of it somewhere and make sure you renew it every year. Like I said, if you think you'll forget, Taylor Brands can do it for you. All right, and this is offering, they can create a website for you. It's $19.99 a month. Definitely something cool. In my opinion, if you're just starting your business, I think you should go hard with the social media, promote it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it is. But depending on what it is to offer, people do like to see a website. They like to be able to see that your business has credibility. So something cool to check out. I'm just gonna click no for now. And we can get our LLC in just 2 days from now, or you can wait for 2 weeks. So it's $49 to get it expedited in 2 days. If you don't want to spend that money and you want it in 2 weeks from now, you can click this option here. Okay, and an operating agreement is really essential to have if you have a partner. So the operating agreement basically lays out who is doing what, right? What are the obligations of each member? Who is responsible for what? What is the ownership in your business? So if you have a partner, I would definitely recommend to get this operating agreement, and it's only $29, which is pretty cheap for something like this. If you're on your own, you do not need it, and you can click that option here. Let's click no on this just to save some money. And let's get notified about our LLC status. Okay, and you guys, no need to spend anything extra. You can see here there's a bunch of different plans that Taylor Brands offers depending on what you want to do with your business. But for today, for the LLC, we don't need to pay for anything except the LLC and EIN. So let's select this option here. Now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the state filing fee in Florida is $130, and keep in mind Taylor Brands does not charge you anything extra to file with them, so you don't have to worry about that. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying that $49 for the 2-day filing fee. After you pay for this, within about a week or so, then you're going to be charged for the EIN number, that $99. So it's like a 2-part process, right? So your LLC is filed, then your EIN number will be filed after that. All right, so once we go to pay, after this, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. Now, I'm a mobile business. I'm on the go. I don't have a storefront. I always use my home address, and I've never had issues with like spam or junk mail. It's literally just for Taylor Brands to have on file in case they need something from you in regards to your LLC or EIN number. If you're not comfortable with using your home address, you can look online for a virtual address. There's definitely ways to do that. Maybe give you a little more like peace of mind in that aspect. But like I said, I always use my home address, and I have not run into any issues with it. But yeah, that's it, you guys. This is all you need to know for filing your LLC in 2025. Taylor Brands is really good at staying up to date with all of the filings and all of the legal stuff that you need. But if you guys do have any questions about anything, please leave it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. And best of luck in your business. See you in the next one.